Hello guys, welcome back. So today I have a sample of a stitch line on how to feed it, or on how to feed on. Okay, so I'll be taking you to a process, just a short process whereby I will show you how to feed in on stitch line. Okay, so I'll be using this gel here. This one is from Misana. Okay, I bought it from Rossmann in German. Okay, but you can use edge gel if you have it, or you can use the styling gel if it's just for simple days. Yeah, so but a edge gel, I think it will be better. Okay, so for those who have problem with parting with the fingers, you can use this method here. So for this one, you have to part from A to Z of your line. So you'll be parting, and then you have to put the hair. This one will go this side, and this one will go this side. So this helps when you have this holding gel or edge gel. So when you do this one, then parting with the fingers, it will be easier for you for a start. But if you can't, then you can just use the normal one here that I'm going to show you now. So we have to part the hair. So I'll be parting first two of them. And then I will start plaiting this one here. You can just start with the hair that way, and then you feed in the braid if your client's hairline is okay. Okay, so then I have to add this one, and then I have to add the braid. So I'll be placing my braid in this manner, and then I have to plait to the other side, and then I pick the other strand the other side. So I part again this side, and then I have to add the braid that way, and then I have to plait, and then the other side I have also to part, and then I plait, and then I have to bring the braid in the center, and then I have to part again this side that way, and then I pick the braid, add it that way, and then I plait to the other side. And then I will also part this side in that manner, and I plait and bring this braid to the center or to the middle. Then I part the hair like that. I add the braid, I plait to this side, and then I have to part with my small finger. Then I plait to this side, I bring the braid to the center, also the hair to the center after parting, and then like that. So this one will be very clear when you have a little bit longer nails. Okay, so it's you to choose if you want it to be more neater than this, then you can use longer nails. But this tutorial is so good and very simple for you. So I'm hoping that you are getting something here. Okay, so bring the braid to the center, and then part the hair to the center there, I mean at the middle of your fingers, and then add braid, then plait to the other side, and then part hair again, plait, braid to the middle, part hair, add braid, and then plait. So you have to go just as simple as that as you continue plaiting until the end. Okay? You can still use a comb to part the hair, but it will take you a lot of time to do that. So I prefer you just use your fingers to part the hair, okay? It's good to share ideas. I'm just sharing what I know, okay? And if you know something, you can also share it out. At least people can understand how things are being done. All right. So guys, this is how it goes. So here at the ends, you can add braid if you want the tails to be so long, okay? So you can add braid depending on how long you want them to be, all right? So this is how it looks, okay? So this is how the stitch lines, medium stitch lines. So if you have any request, you can leave under the comments and I'll get back to you, okay? For now, bye bye.